Welcome back to Oven Foods. Today we are baking soft and fluffy chicken stuffing buns, filled with spicy chicken and cooked without an oven. In a bowl, add 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 egg, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Yeast not only makes bread fluffy but also adds a natural aroma. Stuffed buns are inspired by European bread rolls but loved all over Asia. Add 1/4 cup warm water. Don't add too much water to the dough, it should be smooth, not sticky. Make a smooth dough. Homemade buns are healthier than store-bought packed breads. Rub with oil and keep aside for 40 minutes. For stuffing, heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 1/4 cup onion. Two green chilies. And 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Now add half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin and half teaspoon garam masala. Add 2 tablespoons water. Cook well. Add 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. One teaspoon tomato sauce. Mix well. And keep aside. Now divide the dough into 2 portions. Add the chicken filling. Chicken stuffing adds protein power to a simple bun. Cover well. Chicken is rich in lean protein, good for muscle. Eggs in dough add nutrition and softness. Roll gently and make a few cut marks. Make small cuts on the bun for even cooking and a bakery-style look. Brush with some egg yolks. Grease a 7-inch mold with oil. Homemade bread has no preservatives. Place the bun. Baking at home gives full control over oil and spices. Preheat a pan with wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes. Now place the mold. Cook on medium-low heat for 18 to 20 minutes until golden. Preheating the pan ensures fluffy, well-cooked buns without an oven. And that's it, soft and fluffy chicken stuffing buns, loaded with flavor, ready to enjoy with tea or as a snack. Would you try baking buns without an oven? Do you like your bun spicy or mild? What filling would you love inside your bun? Chicken, veggies or cheese? Don't forget to subscribe to Enoven Foods for more easy snacks.